Do you need practice preparing for Praxis Social Studies Content Knowledge 5081, U.S. Founding Documents, Government and Civics, Declaration of Independence, Constitution, Bill of Rights, Checks and Balances, Federalism? If so, I have a video that is perfect for you. My name is Tom, and I am a test prep expert here at study.com and a certified teacher, and I will walk you through some of the types of problems you'll see on the test. Pause the video and try these on your own. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Which clause establishes the Constitution of the United States as the law of the land? Is it A, the Supremacy Clause, B, the Elastic Clause, C, the Commerce Clause, or D, the Uniformity Clause? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities. So the Commerce Clause has to deal with trade between states and with Native Americans. So I'm going to eliminate choice C. The Uniformity Clause means that taxation needs to be fair across all states. So that doesn't talk about the law of the land. So I'm going to eliminate choice D. Choice B, the Elastic Clause, gives the federal government the right to create new laws, but it's not necessarily the law of the land. And what we're looking for here is choice A, the Supremacy Clause, which means federal law trumps any other law, like including state law. So the correct answer is choice A. Which two issues in U.S. history were most influential in forming of the two-party system seen in U.S. politics? Is it A, slavery leading to the Civil War and the Cold War, B, feminism and progressivism, C, the response to the Great Depression and the Spanish-American War, D, slavery leading to the Civil War and the New Deal in response to the Great Depression? All right, so what we're looking for here are really divisive issues that are going to separate us into two parties. So let's eliminate some choices that wouldn't do that. So I'm going to eliminate choice B, feminism and progressivism, because it's just not as divisive or it's going to separate us into two parties. The same thing with choice C, the response to the Great Depression could be divisive enough to create two different parties opposing each other on it, but the Spanish-American War was something that wasn't as divisive that would create a two-party system. So I'm going to eliminate C. Same thing with choice A. We have slavery, which, yeah, it definitely would be an issue that could create a two-party system, but the Cold War would be something that's not as divisive, that are going to separate us into two sides of a political system. So I'm going to eliminate A. And the correct answer here is choice D, slavery leading to the Civil War, very divisive. It really separated our politics into a two-party system, and the New Deal in response to the Great Depression. So a lot of social programs were started with the New Deal, which was a very divisive topic, which politicians took sides on, created a two-party system. So the correct answer is D. What is the correct term for the process of one branch of government overseeing the other branches of government? Is it A, the social contract, B, checks and balances, C, anti-federalism, or D, limited government? All right, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. I'm going to eliminate limited government. That's just a philosophy that we want as small of government as possible. Has nothing to do with one branch of government overseeing the other branches, so I'm going to eliminate that. Anti-federalism was a very early philosophy that the anti-federalists were against the Constitution because they thought the government would have too much power over the states. We're going to eliminate choice C. Choice A, the social contract, was a philosophy on when a government is formed, people will give up certain freedoms to be protected by the government. All right, so I'm going to eliminate choice A, the social contract. And the correct answer here is B, checks and balances. And we have the legislative, executive, and judicial branches each having equal power to limit the power of the other branches. All right, so the correct answer is B. Which of the following amendments to the Constitution protects freedom of speech? Is it A, the First Amendment, B, the Second Amendment, C, the Fifth Amendment, or D, the Fourth Amendment? Okay, so let's eliminate some possibilities here. I'm going to eliminate B. The Second Amendment is the right to bear arms. The Fourth Amendment is illegal searches and seizures, so I'm going to eliminate choice D. The Fifth Amendment has to do with self-incrimination. I'm going to eliminate choice C. And the correct answer here is choice A, the First Amendment. The First Amendment is for freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly. So the correct answer here is A. Okay, that concludes our video. Let me know how you did in the comments. If you'd like to see more videos on this specific topic, don't forget to leave a comment. For more practice, check out our Praxis Social Studies Content Knowledge 5081 playlist. For even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.